Does this look familiar? You have a lot of paint left over from acrylic pour painting or other acrylic painting. You'll have all of these skins. So what do you do with them? Here's an idea. Okay, we have a really pretty acrylic skin for you today. It's small and mighty. You will need your Diamond Glaze water-based dimensional adhesive. You will need a cabochon, and you will need a pendant tray. Here we have a pack of pendant trays. We have both a bronze and a silver pendant tray, and we'll have to choose between the two which one will match. Okay, make sure that you have cleaned your cabochon. This cabochon is in a teardrop shape. You can't help but get your fingers on these, so you do need to clean them really well with glass cleaner. And we're going to see where we want to place our cabochon, which one looks the best. And we just move it around. Don't have a lot to choose from in this case, but move it around until we find a really nice place for it to live. Okay, I like this. So now, get our cabochon and we are going to put the diamond glaze on it. Put it on the back, and once we've got a nice amount, not too much, we're going to place it back down on our skin. Sometimes you have to fiddle with it a little bit to get it where you want it to go. And I think this is okay. Okay, this will work. Try to clean off the mat. We don't want this sticking to our silicone mat either. Okay, there we are. And now it will need to dry for about 24 hours, and then we can do the next step. Okay, now it has been 24 hours, and we've allowed our acrylic skin and our cabochon to dry with our diamond glaze glue adhesive, and now we can cut around it. I've got surgical scissors, and we're just going to very carefully cut around the edges. Now you could have punched these, possibly if you have a teardrop punch. They make circular ones. I'm not so sure. I've never seen a teardrop one, but maybe they do. So we're just going to cut very carefully around the cabochon, and just like that. It's hard to get it exact. Just be careful. Okay, so now we have it. It's very pretty. Looks really good. So now you can see the skin on the back, and you can see the gold. And because it's gold, I'm choosing, I think, the bronze pendant piece, which you can get online. And I am actually going to choose to use Gorilla Glue. You can use E6000, B7000. You can use Aleene's makes a glue for jewelry. There are several that are epoxy based ones, so it's kind of up to you. I'm going to use Gorilla Glue Super Gel, and hopefully I'm just going to put some, actually I'm going to put it on this because I don't want to get my hands on it and get stuck to it. So I am just going to put the glue on my pendant. Hopefully that's not too much. I'm going to try not to get it on me, and you might want to use a well-ventilated area for super glue kinds of things, or Gorilla Glue in this case. And then we're going to finagle it, hopefully, into place. I am wearing gloves because I do not want to get this on me, and make sure we don't get it on there. I think I may have gotten a little bit on there. You can use something to take that off. Make sure I didn't retouch that. And I did a little bit. Take a little bit of nail polish remover and get that off of there usually. And there you have it. This is going to dry super quick and it looks really awesome. And that's how you use a skin and make a piece of jewelry. And reuse those acrylic skins you have a lot of, especially if you're a pour painter. Of course, you can make these skins too on a piece of silicone like this and just put your paints out and you can design what you want. If you just want to make jewelry, that's true too. So it works great. There you have it.